Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling the kitchen. But don't worry, we're ditching the harsh chemicals and going for a deep clean that's both effective and safe. We'll start high and work our way down step by step so you can get that satisfying sparkle without the stress. Let's get cleaning. From ceiling to floor, we'll go step by step so your space sparkles without harsh chemicals. Let's get started. Before we even think about grabbing a sponge, we've got to declutter. This step is key because it makes the actual cleaning so much faster and easier. Grab a basket or a box and start clearing the decks. See those stray pieces of mail on the counter? Gone. Keys, bags, random things that just don't belong in the kitchen, out they go. Remember, a clear space equals a clear mind. Now that our kitchens are clutter-free, let's tackle those often forgotten areas. We're going top to bottom, starting with the ceiling corners and light fixtures. A microfiber duster works wonders here, or grab your vacuum's extension wand to reach those cobwebs. Don't forget those windowsills and baseboards. They're dust magnets. A quick dust followed by a wipe with an all-purpose cleaner will have them looking brand new. With the high-up areas tackled, let's move to those upper cabinets. Give the exterior a good wipe down with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. If you have wooden cabinets, opt for a wood-safe cleaner to keep them looking their best. And don't forget those handles. They can harbor a surprising amount of grime. White vinegar and water are great for cleaning them. Or use a plant-based antibacterial spray if you prefer. Now let's talk backsplash. If you're dealing with stubborn grease splatters, baking soda is your new best friend. Make a paste with a bit of baking soda and vinegar and gently scrub those greasy spots away. Time to tackle those hard-working appliances. First up, the microwave. Got stuck on food splatters? Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a squeeze of lemon juice. Microwave it on high for about 2 minutes. The steam will help loosen up that stubborn grime. Then, just wipe it clean with a sponge. Next, let's give that refrigerator some love. Take everything out, toss any expired items, and wipe down the shelves with warm water and baking soda. For ovens, a baking soda and water paste works wonders. Just spread it on, let it sit overnight, and wipe clean in the morning. And don't forget the dishwasher. Pour a cup of white vinegar in the bottom and run it on a hot cycle for a sparkling clean interior. Finally, unplug your toaster and blender, empty out any crumbs, and give the exterior a quick wipe down with a damp cloth. Our countertops are the workhorses of the kitchen, so let's give them the royal treatment they deserve. First things first, clear everything off. Yes, everything. Now grab your favorite surface-safe cleaner, especially if you have granite or marble countertops. For any stubborn, sticky spots, sprinkle on a bit of baking soda and gently scrub with a damp cloth. Let's give that sink and faucet the attention they deserve. Sprinkle baking soda all over the sink and scrub it with a sponge. For those hard-to-reach areas around the faucet base, grab an old toothbrush. It works wonders for getting into those nooks and crannies. And for extra sparkle, polish the faucet with a little white vinegar. It'll shine like new. We're on the home stretch. Now it's time to tackle those lower cabinets and drawers. Wipe down the cabinet doors and handles just like you did with the upper cabinets. For the drawers, grab your vacuum cleaner and suck up any crumbs or debris lurking in the corners. Then, give them a quick wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth. We made it to the final step, the floors. Give them a good sweep or vacuum to pick up any dust, crumbs, or debris. Then it's time to mop. I like to use warm water and a floor-safe cleaner. And don't forget to pay extra attention to those corners where dirt and grime love to hide. A little scrub goes a long way. You did it! enjoy your sparkling clean kitchen. A few simple steps and you're well on your way to a fresh and inviting kitchen. Thanks for joining me on this cleaning journey, friends. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more cleaning tips and tricks, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Happy cleaning!